Good day, I'm Monica Bester from Cell International, the leading learning and development facilitator. Today, I'll be showing you how to add a new account in FreeAgent. I'll be sharing my screen shortly and taking you through the steps. You'll notice in FreeAgent that we are in a demo company that's been set up for training purposes. So when you process your transactions in your bank account, you'll notice sometimes that you would like to add an additional account. Let's say there's an expense account for repairs or maintenance that you want to add that's specific to your business, maybe a other income account, however you want. If you navigate in FreeAgent to settings, the following screen will open up. Under your accounting categories, you have your current accounts. So you have your income that has sales, you have admin expenses, cost of sales, capital assets, current assets, liabilities, and equity. So let's say you would like to add an income account for other income. Let's just create that quickly. So I clicked on add new and income category. Then my description can be other income. This can also be more specific, something like rental income or interest income, however you need it to. Then I say create category. The other income account is then added. Below, you can see you still have the edit option if that's needed. Under your bank account, we can now use this account to allocate transactions to. Right, here's some transactions that need allocating. So let's say this needed to be allocated to other income. We can put it as sales. The VAT, you can choose the applicable VAT percentage or leave it as auto, and then other income. Right, then you can see this transaction can now be explained. So very quick and easy to add any of these accounts. The same would apply if you want to add an admin expense, cost of sales, assets or liability. However you choose, you can add those. To show you as well, if you'd like to add an admin expense category, that is an option that you can choose as well. You're going to choose your reporting name. Let's say we want to add another sundry expense, and let's just call this repairs. The one important thing is with the expense accounts, you can actually tick the tax if it's allowable for tax purposes. So just make sure you tick the correct if it is allowable for tax or not. And then you can also choose your VAT rate that it should apply when this account is used. So standard, zero rated, however you choose. We can just leave it as standard. And then once again, you can create the category. If you're unsure about if the allowable for tax purposes or the VAT rate applicable, feel free to contact us so we can just assist you in that regard. Right. So a real quick tip there just to add a account in FreeAgent for processing purposes. I hope this is useful and that you would join us soon for additional training on FreeAgent.